Our task for Program 1 in Unit 9 is to write an account class. Once the class has been defined, we should be able to create an account just by giving the name of the account holder and his or her starting balance. Printing an account object should show a one-line summary. We should be able to execute transactions, deposits and withdrawals, using methods, and we should be able to get a statement of all transactions by using a statement method. Also, each statement should list a different set of deposits and withdrawals. This first statement should list just 3 transactions, and this statement should not show these 3, but it should show the 3 since the last statement. Let's begin simply and then see what refinements are necessary. Here's our account class. As always, we'll have an initialization function. When we start an account, we'll be passing in the name of the owner and the initial balance. These are used to set appropriate names of the attributes. So we'll set the owner attribute to be the name passed in, and the balance attribute to be the amount. We may need more, but for now let's leave it at that. We'll need a method function for deposits. When we make a deposit, we pass in an amount, and this contributes to the balance. We'll add it on. Next, here's a function for withdrawals. It looks just the same, except that we subtract off the amount that's being taken out. The statement method will be somewhat complicated, but certainly we want to see all of the transactions that have taken place. And we can see that so far we have no way to remember them. So let's make up a new attribute called transactions, which will be a list of all the transactions that have occurred. Each time we make a deposit, we'll add to this transaction list. We'll add on a 2-element list, the first noting that this is a deposit, and the second giving the amount. For now, in the statement, we'll just print out all of the transactions. Later, of course, we'll need to worry about formatting. Let's run the program as it stands. Here's our print statement, and we can see that as things stand, the printing for an account is not very pretty. We'll need to fix that. Also, we can see that our transaction list records only the deposits. We forgot to store something in the transactions list when we make a withdrawal. Let's fix that last part first. When we make a when we make a withdrawal, note it and note the amount. We'll run our program again, and now we can see in the first statement a deposit, a withdrawal, and another withdrawal. We'll pick up from here in the second part of the screencast.